Okay, we just received yung ano to, wireless na, what do you call it? Router. Tumaya is opening it. Very easy lang mo daw activate. We're in Terminal 2 here in Narita. Ayan, that's the instruction. Open it.
This is your device.
Dali
Dami lagi.
Kasi may extra battery yata sila eh. Mas high-tech nga sila eh.
Okay.
Charger. May extra battery ba sila? Ito yung router niya. Ah, may extra battery siya oh.
To connect it.
Then, sabi niya, the instruction is very easy.
Okay, so turn it on. With your Wi-Fi router, power up. Power on.
This is the router. Okay.
Sa battery.
Battery to. Ito kami sa lobby lang. This will be our guide.
Kailangan siya isaksak.
Wala na. May battery naman yan. Wala siyang kuan? Power?
Kaya pala kailangan ng battery, hindi pala siya powered.
Hmm?
Full man siya.
Oh, full na siya.
Power on. Unmute by pressing power key.
Dapat siguro ikuan mo. Yan. Okay.
Now it's
Then,
ready for connection. B. Go to settings. Where's your settings? There's no settings. Off.
while we are figuring it out.
Where's the airport? Itong on. Itong password, no?
Andiyan yung password niya. Nakalagay.
Airport mode. Passwords. Select your units SSD from the list.
Ito yung bag niya. Bag na Japan Wireless. So we book it online tapos arrange for a pickup.
So,
Check niya sa
ano pangalan niya? SSD. Lagi.
naka-on naman kaya.
Uno. Uno. Puro globe.
Daming group Pinoy ah.
Ay na. Okay. Euro 61314.
Yan. Tapos password niya.
Password is 824
Ito yung case niya. Oh. Then ito yung this is the return ko nyo. May return envelope na siya. Ihulog lang daw kahit na saan. Airport.
Yan, pag-una.
Before security gate. Okay, activated ka na? Malakas?
Okay na ako.
So unlimited yung plan namin, no? This is unlimited. Okay. So Maya is in. Ako naman.
Fully charge ka naman eh.
Okay.